Hello dear students. Today through this video we are going to learn one of the best motivational lesson on wings of courage. In this lesson we will see the brief biography of Indian Air Force Marshal Arjun Singh. He was an icon of Indian military history. He will be always remembered as a hero who had successfully led a young IAF during 1965 Indo-Pak War. The full form of IAF is Indian Air Force. The only officer to attain the highest post of Marshal was Arjun Singh. The Marshal post of Air Force is also equivalent to the Army's 5-star Field Marshal post. So means both the posts are equivalent to each other. Singh was so fearless and exceptional pilot who had flown more than 60 different types of aircraft. Exceptional means very few must have flown. He played a major role in transforming the IAF into one of the most potent air force globally and the fourth biggest in the world. Potent means powerful. He made Indian Air Force very powerful. His contribution to Indian Air Force is monumental to the least. Monumental are great important. The IAF grew with him. Means he brought many successful development in Indian Air Force. He was the epitome of military. Epitome, a perfect example of how a leader should be. Therefore, former Vice Chief of IAF Kapil Kak said it's not surprising that he was honored with the rank of Air Force Marshal. Singh was honored with the rank of Marshal on the Republic Day 2002. Sam Hormoz Ji, Farman Ji, Jamshed Ji Makeshwan and K.M. Charappa was the only two Army general honored with the rank of Field Marshal. He was also known as a man of few words. A man of few words means a person who believes in doing, not just saying. Singh was not only a fearless pilot but also had a profound knowledge about air power and applied it in a wide spectrum. Profound means complete knowledge. Complete knowledge about what? Aircraft. Air power means aircraft. And he applied it in a wide spectrum. Spectrum means wide range of area. Singh had assiduously led the IAF during the 1965 war and denied success to Pakistani Air Force, though it was better equipped with American support. Assiduously means paying careful attention. During war, Singh paid a careful attention to each and every detail. That is the reason India won, though Pakistan was having full support of America. His most outstanding contribution was during that war, said Kak. Commanding his role in the war, Y.B. Chauhan, then the Defence Minister, had written, Air Marshal Arjun Singh is a jewel of a person, quite efficient and firm, unexcitable, but a very able leader. For his qualities, he was praised as a very valuable person. In 1944, the Marshal had led a squadron against the Japanese during the Arakan campaign, flying close as supported mission during the crucial Imphal campaign and a later assist the advance of the Allied force to a Yangon, formerly Rangoon. In recognition of his feat, he was awarded the Distinguished Flying Cross, that is DFC, on the spot by the Supreme Allied Commander of Southeast Asia. Feat means difficult to accomplish. Feat also means great success or courage. He was the first Indian pilot to have received it. Singh was selected for the Empire Pilot Training Course at Royal Air Force at Cranwell, a place of Europe, in 1938 when he was just 19 years old. He retired from his service in 1969. He was born on April 15, 1919 in Laipur, now it is called as Faisalabad, Pakistan, and completed his education at Montgomery, now Sahiwal, in Pakistan. His first assignment on being commissioned was to fly Westland Wapiti biplane in the northwestern frontier province as a member of the No. 1 RIAF squadron. As you see in the picture, it is early Westland Wapiti biplane. Biplanes means plane having two wings, one on the other. During war, military was using it for the general purpose. After a brief stint with a newly formed No. 2 RIAF squadron, where the Martian flew against the tribal force, he later moved back to No. 1 squadron. A brief stint means for a short period of time. As a flying officer to fly the Hawker Hurricane, he was promoted to the rank of squadron leader in 1944. The Hawker Hurricane is British single-engine fighter aircraft. For his role in successfully leading the squadron in combat, he was awarded the Distinguished Flying Cross in 1944. On August 15, 1947, he achieved the unique honor of leading flypast over 100 IAF aircraft over the Red Fort in Delhi. It means that he was given an honor to lead 100 aircraft at the time of 15th August ceremony. After his promotion to the rank of wing commander, he attended the Royal Staff College at the UK immediately after independence. Arjan Singh commanded Ambala in the rank of Group Captain. In 1949, he was promoted to the rank of Air Commander and took over as Air Officer Commanding of an Operational Command, which later came to be known as Western Air Command. Arjan Singh had the distinction of having the longest tenure as AOC of an operational base, initially from 1949 to 1952 and then again from 1957 to 1961. After the promotion to the rank of Air Vice Marshal, he was appointed as the Air Officer Commander-in-Chief of an operational command. Towards the end of 1962 war, he was appointed as a Deputy Chief of the Air Staff and he became the Vice Chief of the Air Staff in 1963. He was the overall commander of the Joint Air Training Exercise Shiksha held between IAF, RAF Royal Air Force and RAAF Royal Australian Air Force. On August 1, 1964, in the rank of Air Marshal, the Marshal of the Air Force Arjan Singh took over reins. Reins means control of IAF at the time when it was still rebuilding itself and was gearing up to meet new challenges. Gearing up means to start or to begin. Arjan Singh was the first air chief to keep his flying currency till his CAS rank, having flown over 60 different types of aircraft from pre-World War II. Flying currency means to keep update skills and experience. Means he was a person who liked to keep himself updated. And CAS means Chief of Air Staff. In the history, hardly there must be any marshal who must have got such a great opportunity like Arjun Singh, just because of his passion to update his skill and experience. He flown Era biplane to the more contemporary Gannet and Vampire. He also flown transport aircraft like Super Constellation. In 1965, when Pakistan launched its Operation Grand Slam with an armored thrust target at the vital town of Akhnoor, Singh led IAF through the war with courage, determination, and professional skill. He inspired IAF to victory despite the constraint imposed on the full-scale use of Air Force compact power. What is constraint? Constraint means to restrict. Singh was awarded with Padma Vibhushan for his astute leadership. What is astute? Astute means sharp, intelligent leadership of the Air Force during the war. Subsequently, in recognition of the Air Force contribution during the war, the rank of the CAS was upgraded and Arjun Singh became the first Chief Marshal of the Indian Air Force. He remained a flyer at the end of his tenure in IAF, tenure time period. He used to visit forward bases and unit and flying with the squadron, military troops, army troops, they are called as a squadron. He retired in August 1969. Thereupon, he started accepting ambassadorship to Switzerland. He was Lieutenant Governor of Delhi from December 1989 to December 1990. Having been a source of inspiration to all the personnel of armed force through the years, the government conferred the rank of Marshal of the Air Force upon Arjun Singh in January 2002, making him the first and the only 5-star rank officer with Indian Air Force.